Hi guys, welcome to this course, WordPress tutorial for beginners and Google AdSense implementation. My name is Axel Mulat and thank you very much for purchasing on this course. I know there are lots of WordPress courses out there. This my course, I guarantee to you, you will be learned on WordPress self-hosted site in step by step. First, we will install a WordPress application to the desktop or laptop. Then we will play the WordPress. We will create a blog post, a photo gallery, pages, adding navigation menu using widgets, and how to customize the theme using Customizer. After we play WordPress and localhost, we will purchase a domain name and cheap web hosting for your website. Then we will upload to the live server to get your website live to the internet. In the live site, we will continue the development and choose a new WordPress responsive theme and install and customize to look nice. And many more will cover. In the last chapter in this course, it's very exciting because we will implement a Google AdSense Ads to this WordPress self-hosted site. And also, the update on this course, AdSense native ads. If you have a question on this course, kindly message me here and I'll be response as soon as possible. And after you're done on this course, kindly please rate it a 5-star. If you can't, kindly message me first and I'll do my best as I can on this course for you. And let's get started.